My name is Brad Von Hogue. I'm a retired Air Force veteran. I retired in 2019, medical retirement. I first learned about the NRVTA when I saw it on YouTube through Changing Lanes, Chad and Tara. He is also a retired veteran, and that's what draws me to his channel. So I really had a lot of respect for what his opinion was. And when I first heard about it, it was about 2 years ago, and it took me about 2 years to get here because I was waiting on the VA to show up. I called them and found out that they had already applied for their VA. So a week out from getting to come here, the VA was approved for classes, and I ended up being the first person to get to come through here using my GI Bill. So if you're a veteran and you're either just now getting out of active duty or you're a retired veteran and you have those GI Bill benefits available, I found a great value in using those benefits to come here, because you're going to learn a lot of great things. If you're wanting to travel and you're wanting to work on the road, you're wanting to have a change in life and have that freedom to be able to make an income while traveling, this is invaluable. It's a very good place to be. It's worth the time, and it's a good investment. I'm very excited for it.